If you are viewing this video tutorial, you probably have an account and are ready to explore features of our online recruitment management system. This video will show you how to use the Career Center in the recruitment management system. To get to your Career Center, you first need to log in to your account from the MyHR website. Click on one of the links located under the Government Careers heading on the right of the current BC Government Job Postings page to log in. There are two links, one for current BC Public Service employees and one for external applicants who do not work for the BC Government. The video tutorial Applying for a Job explains how to create an account and apply for a job. If you haven't created an account, I suggest you view that video first. Let's assume you have created an account in the recruitment system and applied for a job. If you are not a current BC Government employee, use your email and password to log in as a returning user. When you click the Login button, the screen will default to your resume profile. The navigation bar is located either at the top of your screen or on the left side. Clicking on Career Center reveals a drop-down menu. We will review each of the options provided in the drop-down menu during this tutorial. But before we do, there are two tabs on this screen you may want to explore. The Add Edit Resume button takes you directly to a page where you can review and edit your resume. The Resume Submission History button allows you to view previous job applications. If you are a current BC Government employee, you will find the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Select the arrows to open subcategories. Let's look at your Career Center first. Click on the arrow beside Career Center to open the drop-down menu. Resume will take you to your resume profile to view and edit your most recent resume. This is the same screen you would access if you used the Add Edit Resume button on the previous page. Resume Attachments is not used for job applications and should not be used for attaching your resume or cover letter. Resume Submission History contains a list of the jobs you have applied for. Job Search Agents allows you to set up and manage job search agents. We will look at the other items in this list later in the tutorial. If you are a BC Government employee, your Career Center will look a little different than the one shown on the previous slide. Clicking on the Career Center button will reveal many of the same items, however, they will be located in the left side bar. We will now look at each of the items in your Career Center in more detail. The Resume Profile screen always contains your most recent resume. To edit, click on the Add Edit Resume button at the top of your screen. You can scroll through the screen to view all your information. A quick reminder, the resume editor uses simple formatting and may not recognize tabs, indents, tables, and certain fonts. Please review and save your resume after making changes. You can find additional tips on preparing your resume on our MyHR application process webpage. Your resume submission history will list your completed and incomplete applications. Incomplete applications are those that you chose to finish later. You can click on a job title to view specific job details, see the date you applied for a position, and check the current status of your application. In the Actions column, a More Options icon allows you to view the resume you submitted to the job posting. Your resume submission history is also where you can remove yourself from consideration. If you choose to remove yourself from consideration, you can add yourself back and your original application will be resubmitted. Please note you can only reapply up to the closing date. When you are viewing your resume in your Resume Submission History page, you may notice that the resume is not your most current. It will be the resume and cover letter you used when you applied for the job. In contrast, Your resume profile only contains your most recent resume. The next button in the Career Center drop-down menu is Job Search Agents. This screen lists any job search agents that you have set up, documents how you would like to be notified of available jobs, and gives you a few options for managing job search agents. You can choose to run the agent manually, activate it, deactivate it, or delete it entirely. BC government employees will find their job search agent on the left navigation located under Career Center, then Job Search, then Job Search Agents. To learn how to set up a job search agent, see our Job Seeker Quick Reference Guide on the MyHR website. Your Career Center contains a folder with all the cover letters you have created in the recruitment management system. The link is located at the bottom of the cover letter screen. Click on the name of a cover letter in order to view or edit. You can edit the cover letter in the same way you edited your resume. When finished, click Next. That concludes part 1 of this video tutorial. Part 2 will continue to explore My Career Center. You will learn how to view and accept offer letters in the system and view your notifications. Thank you for your interest in working for the BC Public Service.